Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy BNB on Binance, step by step, in the easiest way possible. Let's get started. First, open the link in the video description to go directly to the Binance website. Once you're there, click Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address or phone number, or sign up with your Google or Apple account. Choose the option you prefer and complete the registration process. After signing up and logging in for the first time, you'll arrive on your Binance dashboard. Now there are two simple ways to buy BNB on Binance. Option 1. Buy BNB instantly with a card. At the top of the page, click Buy Crypto. This will open the instant purchase screen. First, select the fiat currency you want to pay with. Next, enter the amount you want to spend. Make sure the cryptocurrency is set to BNB. If it isn't, click on the crypto field and select BNB from the list. Below that, choose your payment method. You can pay using a credit or debit card, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. If you haven't added a card yet, simply add a new one and enter your card details. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm, then click Buy. That's it. Your BNB purchase is completed. The second option is to deposit fiat currency first, then use it to buy BNB. To do this, click Deposit at the top of the page. Choose your currency, then select Bank Transfer, or another available payment method. Click Continue, and Binance will show you the payment details you need. If you're using a bank transfer, make sure you carefully enter the recipient name, the IBAN or account number, the reference code. Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to arrive. Once the funds are available, go back to Buy Crypto, click View More, then select Fiat Wallet. Here, you'll see your deposited balance. Select that balance, enter the amount you want to use, and complete the purchase. To view your BNB and other assets, go to Wallet and click Spot. Here you'll see your BNB balance, along with any other cryptocurrencies or fiat you own. And that's it. That's how you buy BNB on Binance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop them in the comments below.